Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the leaking kitchen sink tap. Do subscribe, like and share my video, and thank you for your support. As you can see from the video, the water is leaking from the kitchen tap. This is due to wear and tear of the cartridge. You can choose to replace the cartridge as a cheaper option or replace it with a brand new kitchen sink tap, which I will show you how to do it. Before you start to replace the kitchen sink tap, you need to get ready for the necessary tools. From here on the left, you can see the kitchen sink tap that we'll be going to replace and some tools. These tools may or may not need to use. We just prepare it first so that we do not need to walk out of the place to search for the tools when it needs. So now we go to the bottom of the sink. Well, for the bottom of the sink, I have placed all the cleaning solution, and therefore I have to remove out all the things so that I can access the bottom of the kitchen sink tap. Here you can see the stainless steel hose connected to the kitchen sink tap and the main water outlet. You can see two hexagon sockets. The small one connects to the kitchen sink tap, and the other slightly bigger is to secure the kitchen sink tap. Now I'm going to get the tools to remove the inlet connection and loosen the nut for the kitchen tap. The tools that I need are adjustable spanner, hexagon socket. This is how the look of the hexagon socket. Both ends of the sockets are different in size, and therefore you need to use the correct size to remove the nut that loosen the kitchen tap. Lastly, screwdriver. The screwdriver is needed to go through the small hole of the hexagon socket to help to loosen and tighten the nuts. Make sure that the water is cut off by turning the on-off bar at the bottom of the sink. After remove the kitchen tap, clean the area where the kitchen tap was seated before placing the new tap. Lastly, check for any water leakage. I have come to the end of this video and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share my videos.